Hello and welcome to the Southern Mountain Kitchen. Today we're making the ultimate grilled cheese sandwich. To start with, we're not going to use normal bread. What you need is a French bread loaf, which you can buy at places like Walmart or whatever. They're the really long loaves that cost about 96 cents. Not very expensive. What I'm making here is two sandwiches this time, so the ingredients are going to go that way. So you're going to cut off 4 thick slices of the bread and lay them side by side. Then on top of that, you're going to take a piece of provolone cheese and break it in half and put it across. Then a half a piece of American white cheese. And then on top of this, you're going to put somewhere in the neighborhood of about 1/4 cup of mozzarella. When you mix these 3 cheeses together, they have the best taste. And it's not like everybody uses American cheese to do this, and they grill it in a pan with regular white bread. No, that gets soggy, messy, and this is so much better because this has a little bit more thickness to it and crunch when it's made. And when you go to eat it, it has a better taste. Now, once you have all your cheeses in the center of it, you're going to flip the top piece over, and then you're going to put butter on the very top of it. So that way when you grill it, that's going to give it a grilled taste, but the butter just gives it flavor. Now, when I go to fix mine, I do not use a skillet. I use an indoor grill. You know, one that's made famous by, well, you know, an ex-athlete person. His name is George Foreman. As you can see, when I pull the lid down, it's there. These are the best things to cook anything from a panini to grilled cheese to you name it. And when you put your sandwich in just a few minutes, you come back with this, which looks really great, golden brown, and ready to eat. If you don't have a George Foreman, think about it. But anyway, and this is what it looks like when it's done. And this is just a great sandwich for anytime, lunch or whatever. Pair it with soup or whatever else you want to. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.